Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can start your business from home with Zomato. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.zomato.com/partner with us. After you do this, you will end up in a website like this where all you need to do is simply register your restaurant. So simply tap on register your restaurant, and once you do this, you need to now log in if you have already created this account, or you can simply tap on create account. Once you do this, you need to type in your full name, your email address, and you need to tick on the consent box. After doing this, tap on create account and you will get a verification code on your email. So once you type in your OTP code as well, you will end up in this kind of page. So simply select the service you want, and once you do this, you will have to follow the on-screen prompts and you need to verify all these documents like PAN card, license, bank account details, your GST number, menu and food profile. And after doing this, you can successfully start your own business at home with the help of Zomato. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We will be back again with more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching.